reasons why people have a challenge in saving. Whenever we are talking about finances, the issue of saving always comes up, because ukitaka achieve any goal that you have, if you want to travel, if you want to buy an item, then it means you have to put some money aside. Okay, now saving is basically putting money aside so that you can be able to buy something, or achieve a goal that you have basically. But most people huwa wanashindwa hata kuweka hiyo savings, putting that kidogo money aside. And the reasons are, they have a low income, and basically they earn a bit of kidogo money, but their general expenses are quite high because they have maybe families and whatnot. But then remember, as much as you are paying bills and everything else, you're supposed to pay yourself first. So unafai kukisema hata kama napata mshahara kidogo, maybe, or even your business is just paying you kidogo money, maybe I can be able to say, every money I get, I'm going to be putting aside 10 to 20%. Kidogo tu, anza kidogo. As in, unajua tapia kwa na hiyo discipline. It's not easy, but at least start with the little that you have. Then we have the high cost of living, because ukiangalia kitambo thao tulikuwa tunanunua a bit of things, siku hizi how many items can you buy with 1,000? So there is also that, but you also have to be prepared, and that is why we insist, when you're investing your money, hata saa zile unaweka pesa kwa emergency fund, you put it in an account that grows your money above the inflation rate. Usipate pesa yako inaendelea ku lose value, na tulisema watu wasiweke pesa kwa bank. Then we have high debt burden. Basically, umechukua loans almost everywhere. Almost all the apps, online apps that can offer you loans, uko na loans uko. And then the interest rates themselves, they are very high. So even when you paid, or when your business pays you, kulipa hii deni inakuwa issue. You find by the time you decide that you're actually going to pay for the loans and pay for the expenses, unabaki almost negative. Hata si almost, basically unabaki negative. So this is why people also tend not to save, because they are more concentrated on just clearing the loans that they have. So tulisema watu wacha kuchukua bad loans, and be keen on that as well. Then people are not investing in financial literacy. These days, information is almost everywhere. Do your research, learn something. At least that will say, every day I'm going to be learning something new about finances, and then I can see what I can be able to do about it. As much as una learn, si ati pia una learn na unakaa na hiyo information, take advantage of it and act upon it. Then having unforeseen expenses. Now, because you do not have an emergency fund, whenever an emergency comes up, you either end up using what you either kidogo ulikushaanza kuweka, ama you again take a bad loan. Guys, you have to plan, you have to be prepared. Okay, then we have family obligations. Majorly we say black tax. Now, because you're the one who earns in your family, people come to you for assistance. As I said, ni sawa kusaidia, but you can only do as much as you can, right? When you're putting money aside every month, budget unasema rent nalipa hii pesa, then you can be able to say, ata for family and friends, I'm going to put some certain amount of money to help out. But in case your pesa ishe within the month, then you don't have to much more to give, because at the end of the day, watu pia ndio wanangoja ufail, na kama hauna kitu ya kupatia, they'll still talk. So you might as well just make sure you plan for yourself and your people who are close to you, because huku nje hakuna huruma. Of course, poor spending habits. Uko na pesa, lakini now because you've passed by somewhere and you've seen something nice, you're like, I must get it. And it's not really even that important. You don't even need it. Hata ukitembea mahali unaona kiatu, maybe even you have 50 pairs of shoes, but you still want to add another one. Come on. You want to go out with your friends, you didn't even budget. Then you get there, the bills get high, then you end up taking another bad loan. As in, guys, be keen on how you spend what you have. Kwa sababu, una imagine ukiongezewa pesa, na umeshindwa kumanage hiyo kidogo uko nayo, unafikiria things will change ama you might even end up getting into more debt. Okay, so look at that. Kama uko na issues za kusave or you're having a challenge in savings, kindly reach out. I can be able to help in terms of budgeting, in terms of how we can be able to start your financial journey together. Okay, I hope you have learned, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.